Creating shortcut on desktop. Creating shortcut on the desktop allows you to easily access the items that the shortcut links to. You can create a shortcut of a file or folder or a program. To create a shortcut on the desktop, follow the given steps. Step 1. Select the file or folder. Step 2. Right-click on the selected file or folder and click the Send to option. Step 3. Select the Desktop Create Shortcut option. Practical in Computer Lab. Shortcuts are the convenient ways to open any file program without going to the actual location of the file. You can create shortcut of any file at any location, such as inside a folder or on the desktop. Grouping files and folders. Group by option organizes files and folders by breaking them into different sections depending on different parameters such as name, date modified, type, size, etc. To group your files and folders, follow the given steps. Step 1. Right-click on any empty area of the window and select the Group By option from the list that appears. Step 2. Select one of the many available options. Name. It organizes the files and folders in alphabetical order by their name. Date modified. It arranges files and folders according to their modification date. Type. It organizes files and folders according to their file type. For example, when you have several folders in a drive, they will be grouped together. Size. It organizes files and folders according to their file size. Do you know? The Sort By option is used to arrange the files and folders according to different parameters such as name, date modified, type and size. Practical in Computer Lab. On-screen keyboard. On-screen keyboard is a feature provided by Windows 7 to write or create documents using on-screen keyboard in place of the actual keyboard, which is attached to the computer system. To open on-screen keyboard, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click Start button. Step 2. Click All Programs option. Step 3. Click the Accessories option. Step 4. Click the Ease of Access option. Step 5. Now click the on-screen keyboard option. The on-screen keyboard appears. Step 6. Now type using the mouse or other pointing device by just clicking the required key. Organizing files and folders on a tablet. You need a file manager application, for example, ES File Explorer, to organize files and folders on a tablet. Let us learn about it. Performing operations on a file or folder. To perform various operations on a file or folder, tap ES File Explorer icon to open it. Now, press and hold the file or folder on which you want to perform the operations. The Operations dialog box appears with the various options. Select any of the following options. Cut. It is used to move the selected file or folder from one location to another location. Copy. It is used to copy the selected file or folder and paste it to another location. Rename. It is used to change the name of the existing file or folder. Delete. It is used to delete the selected file or folder. Select all. It is used to select all the files and folders present in the selected file or folder. Shortcut. It is used to create the shortcut of a file or folder on the tablet opening screen. Properties. It is used to check the properties of a file or folder like type, size, etc. Changing view of files and folders. To view the files and folders in different ways, follow the given steps. Step 1. Tap ES File Explorer icon to open it. A new screen appears. Step 2. Tap icon at the bottom of the screen. Many options appear. Step 3. Tap Settings option. A new screen appears. Step 4. Tap View option under View Settings section. A dialog box appears. Step 5. Select any of the following options. Tap icons to display files and folders as small-sized icons. Tap List to display the list of files and folders preceded by small icons. Tap Details to display the files and folders with their detailed information, including name, type, size, and date when the file or folder is last modified. Now tap icon at the bottom of screen to see the changed view. Sorting files and folders. To arrange your files and folders, follow the given steps. Step 1. Tap ES File Explorer icon to open it. A new screen appears. Step 2. Tap icon at the bottom of the screen. Many options appear. Step 3. Tap Settings option. A new screen appears. Step 4. Tap Sort By option under View Settings section. The Sort By dialog box appears. Step 5. Select any of the following options. Tap Name to arrange the files and folders in alphabetical order by their name. Tap Type to arrange the files and folders according to their file type. Tap Size to arrange the files and folders according to their file size. Tap Modified to arrange the files and folders according to their modification date. Tap Random to arrange the files and folders randomly. Step 6. Now tap the ascending or descending button to sort the files and folders in ascending or descending order. Now tap icon at the bottom of the screen to view the sorted files and folders. CD burning. CD burning is the process of copying files to CD or DVD. To burn a CD, you require a recordable CD drive or DVD drive, a writable CD-ROM, a CD burning software like Nero installed on your computer. To burn a CD with Nero, follow the given steps. Step 1. Insert CD in CD-ROM drive and double-click the Nero launcher icon on the desktop. Step 2. Click the Nero Express option from the starting screen. The Nero Express window appears. Step 3. Click Data, then Data CD option. A new screen appears. Step 4. Click Add, then Files option. The Add Files and Folders dialog box appears. Do you know? Nero is a CD or DVD burning software used to copy files to a CD or a DVD. You need to install Nero software in Windows operating system before using it. Step 5. Select the required files or folders and click Add button. Step 6. Click Close button. The selected files or folders get added to the Nero Express window. Step 7. Click Next button. A new screen appears. Step 8. Type the disk name in the disk name box. Step 9. Click Burn button to write the files in the CD. Step 10. After the completion of the burning process, a dialog box appears displaying the confirmation message of the successful completion of the burning process. Click the OK button. Your data gets copied to the CD. More fun in lab. A programmer or software developer designs new operating systems, applications, games, etc. How to become bachelor's degree in computer science or information technology. Skills: knowledge of programming languages, quick learner, logical reasoning, creative thinking, Good technical writing skills. Key points. The Windows Explorer program is more efficient for viewing files or folders in Windows. Windows Explorer is divided vertically into two parts or panes. Libraries are user-defined collections of the contents. The left side pane displays disk drives and folders in a hierarchical order. The right pane displays the contents of the folder or drive that is selected on the left pane. CD burning is the process of copying data to CD or DVD.